Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you are very fine, though we are not connected for a long time due to corona epidemic. Okay, dear students, today I will connect with you with a new lesson. But before going to our main lesson, I will show you some picture. Look here, the picture. And this is my picture, and look here, it's a very interesting picture. You can see the people are crossing the canal, and this bridge has connected so our today's lesson, can you say okay, thank you? But if you can say, go to the next picture. Okay, look here. These four chains have been connected with this connector. So today's our lesson is connector or linkers. It's a very important topics for you. Okay, look. What is connector? We should know what is connector. A connector or linker is a word that connects two or more words, clauses, sentence and ideas. Once again I am telling, a connector or linker is a word that connects two or more words, clauses, sentence and ideas. Look here, Tamim and Shakib are two good cricketers here, and has connected Tamim and Shakib. I hope you will get A+. Look here, you will get A+. I hope these two clauses have been connected with that. So that is a connector. He was absent because he was ill. He was ill, he was absent. These two clauses have been connected with because. So because is a connector. He was totally unable to come. Actually, he was totally unable to come. Here, this is connector. Here, idea has been connected. So, we can say connector is a word that connects two or more words, clauses, sentence and ideas. So, which part of speech work as a connector? In fact, conjunction, relative pronoun and adverb are used as connector. Look here, and is a conjunction, that is a relative pronoun, because it's a conjunction actually is an adverb. Okay, so let's see why connector are used. Why? Connector are used for addition, that means to add more information, comparison, to compare, contrast, to compare opposite sense, result, to express or to connect result, summary, to summarize something, and to give example, term and emphasize. Look at here, Ashraful was a good player. His average tells different. His average tells different, he is a good player. These two different opposite idea has been connected with however. He played many good innings. On the other hand, look at here, he played many good innings. He অনেক ভালো innings খেলেছিল. He became failure very often to score. On the contrary, অন্যদিকে সে প্রায় রান করতে ব্যর্থ হতো. He was involved in match fixing. Moreover, তার উপর সে, this is used for add more information. তার উপর he was involved in match fixing. তার উপর সে ম্যাচ ফিক্সিং এ জড়িত ছিল. In short, he is very controversial cricketer in Bangladesh. In short, মানে পুরো প্যাসেজটাকে সামারাইজ করা হচ্ছে. In short, he is very controversial cricketer in Bangladesh. সংক্ষেপে বলতে গেলে সে বাংলাদেশের একজন বিতর্কিত ক্রিকেটার. Okay, fine. Later I will explain details about connector. Okay, thank you very much.